We are solving question from GATE 2019 electronics branch. So in this question we are given a circuit. So in this circuit, this is a Zener diode voltage regulator circuit. So this is the input voltage, this is input resistance R1, this is load resistance 1 kilo ohm. So the breakdown voltage and maximum current of Zener diode are given as 20 volt and 60 milliampere. So we will write IZ maximum equal to 60 milliampere and Vz equal to 20 volt. So this voltage will be equal to 20 volt because this is the breakdown voltage and maximum current of Zener diode, and this is Zener current Iz. This is your input current In. This is the load current IL. So I have marked all the currents and the voltages, and this is the input voltage. So it is says what is range of Vi. So range of Vi. So Vi is variable. So this is the case of line regulation because your input voltage is variable. So this is the case of line regulation. If load resistance is variable, then we say load regulation. But here input voltage is variable, so we can say line regulation. So we have to find range of Vi that will maintain Zener diode in on state. Okay, so we have to find the range of Vi. So first of all, we are given R1 equal to 200 ohm and RL equal to 1K. Voltage across this RL 20 volt because it is the breakdown voltage of Zener diode. So this IL will be fixed. IL will be fixed. Obviously In and Iz are variable. So we can find IL. So IL by Ohm's law 20 volt upon 1 kilo ohm. So it will be equal to 20 milliampere. Now we can write using KVL. In is variable. So In equal to Iz plus IL. Now this IL is fixed. So In maximum will be equal to Iz maximum plus IL. IL is fixed, so there is no maximum or minimum. Iz maximum we are given as 60 milliampere and IL is 20 milliampere. So In maximum will be equal to 60 plus 20 equal to 80 milliampere. So this In is variable because the input voltage is variable. So In maximum, the input current maximum equal to 80 milliampere. Now obviously the input current will be maximum when input voltage is minimum. So for In we can write another equation like this. Vi minus Vz upon R1. Vin minus Vz upon R1. So if In is maximum, will be equal to Vin maximum minus Vz upon R1. So Vin maximum will be given as In max into R1 plus Vz. Okay, In max into R1 plus Vz. So if you solve it, In value is 80 milliampere, R1 is given as 200 ohm and Vz is 20 volt. So 80 milliampere into 200 ohm is equal to 16 volt plus Vz 20. So this will be equal to 36 volt. So Vin maximum value is 36 volt, we have found out. Similarly, In minimum will be equal to Iz minimum plus IL and Iz minimum will be equal to 0. because minimum zener diode current can be 0. So I in minimum will be equal to IL. So I in minimum should be equal to IL for line regulation. So this will be equal to 20 milliampere. So V in minimum will be equal to I in minimum into R1 plus Vz. So I in minimum is 20 milliampere, R1 is 200 ohm. So 20 milliampere into 200 ohm is equal to 4 volt and Vz is 20 volt. So V in minimum is equal to 24 volt. So the range of input voltage is from 24 volt to 36 volt. So this was the MCQ question and one of the option was 24 volt to 36 volt. So this is the correct option. So if we revise it, then we can say V in is variable, so it is line regulation. So these are all the currents. So I in is equal to Iz plus IL. So I in minimum will be equal to Iz minimum plus IL and I in maximum equal to Iz maximum plus IL. Iz maximum was 60 milliampere. So Iz maximum equal to 60 plus 20 80 milliampere and I in minimum is equal to IL because for I in minimum we consider the minimum Zener diode current and minimum Zener diode current is 0. So I in minimum is simply equal to IL 20 milliampere and based on I in we can find the maximum or minimum value of V in. So obviously if input voltage is minimum then input current will be minimum and if input voltage is maximum then input current will also be maximum and here IL is always fixed because RL is always fixed. So Zener breakdown voltage is 20 volt. So obviously in parallel voltages are same. So the voltage across this load resistance will also be equal to 20 volt. So we can easily find out the load current in the case of line regulation. So always in the question of line regulation first find the load current because load current will be fixed. The load current does not vary in line regulation, only the input current will vary. So thank you. I hope you got all the concepts from this question. If you have any doubt, then you can ask your doubt in the comment box and please share your feedback also regarding these videos in the comment box. Your feedback is very important for me. Thank you and best of luck.